Everything in this world has its advantages and disadvantages, whether it's an abstract feeling or a non living one. Well, greetings to everyone. I welcome you all to another one of the greatest, beneficial, and significant group discussion on one of the most debatable topics. Is fame a double-edged sword? Well, we all know fame is the byproduct of success, which will ultimately incite one to be on the track of the success. Fame has provided innumerable solution to many problems and is regarded as one of the most intangible asset which is desired even by the big corporates. So, not wasting our time further, I would like my fellow participants, Mansi, Arshi, Almas, Nikita Di, and Twinkle, to express their views on the motion. So, starting from the Arshi, we'll have the group discussion.
Hello everyone. I think I agree that yes, fame is a double-edged sword because it allows us to do what we love and earn money. It gives us more opportunities to do. It gives us confidence. It promotes what we believe in. But as you know, it is a double-edged sword. So it definitely have a bad side also. Like if you are famous, if you have fame, then it's very difficult for you to keep your life private because your fans will definitely follow you wherever you go. No matter what you do, there will always be a criticism. There many people were, you know, they motivate you. You will not only have good fans, you will also have bad ones who will demotivate you. And if your fame starts to fade away or if it will decline, then you will definitely will go in a depression because you believe in your fans. If there are more fans, then you think that yes, I am going good, I am doing well. But as your fans decline, then you may definitely go into depression because your self confidence will also lose. You will lose your self confidence. You will think that yeah, I am doing wrong or I am not perfect, that's why I am not gaining more attention. So it definitely has good and the bad side. That's it.
Okay, now we have Nikita Didi, who will express her view on the mission.
Hi, I am Nikita Nelwal. So our today's topic is famous double-sided sword. So first of all, I want to show some positive aspect of this topic, and then I will switch on to the negative aspect. So first of all, as we know that fame will fetch the opportunity to earn in the market. Okay, in the several ways, just like nowadays, the influencing is a very good opportunity to the people, so they can show the talent what they have. Whatever kind of a talent, just like I'm not talking about the thing which nowadays the influencer is going on, but the true people who can change, also changing the life of the people in the positive aspects, or they can also help a lot in the gender equalities. We can say there are many people who are working on these fields also, and the body positivity, they can also show that how we can fit to keep our body fit, our mind calm down, and the spiritual things also. So this is the positive impact, and also it improve the confidence. Okay, fame can also improve the confidence because your fan following can improve you, and you start becoming confidence, and whatever you have learned, you start sharing the things with the your fan followers also. So it can increase your confidence and also help to the other people who are your followers. Now I can also I want to tell about the negative aspects. So the first of all is your life, your personal life is not being a part of any secrets. It's totally open. Where are you going, what are you eating, what are you wearing, what are you applying, everything you have to show. So here I can say that it is a bit the topic of insecurity, that you are not capable to save your privacy. And the second thing is criticism. Although we all don't get a good fan followers, means a positive expect. So we have to face a lot of criticism. Many people start talking about your body, your way of wearing, and many other things. Okay. And just because of these aspects, the people start becoming the part of a depression, and which affects a lot mentally, physically, and not only to that person but their family too. So it can create a lots of issues with their families. And although we have seen a lot of things, I'm not remembering the name, but I have heard in the same year that the one famous, I think, Insta influencer got, she done suicide, I guess. So she is just below 18, I guess. So and she conducts suicide, so it's not a good part. And what's the effect, what's the reason behind it is just a depression and the criticism which she's facing and her family, and she don't even share with her family. So that's why she is start, suffering on her own, and which is the reason of that big incident which she take with her, done with her. Okay, so that's it what I want to say in this topic.
Okay. So now I urge Mansi to express her views.
Hello, today I'm here to express my views on the topic fame, a double edged sword. Fame can be both good and evil, as it is one of the necessary evils that we have to have, right? Having a bit of fame will surely get you a better table in a restaurant or grease your wheels a little better in terms of moving through whatever you are going through. But there is a tremendous loss of privacy. There are paparazzi out there who are striving to take your pictures because that's their work. That's the way they earn their bread and butter. At one end, it is so wonderful to have fame, and it's so wonderful to have all the things that comes with fame. And on the other side, there are many such as like many ill effects to it. Like you face a regular basis criticism from, as Nikita Didi quoted, that you face a lot of criticism, and people commit suicide due to all these, because in this era mental health has become more important than your physical health. If you are ruined mentally, then it's of no use, right? And many people are committing suicide because of this. And like in earlier generation, it was not the same. Like this generation, this digital era, like everything is kind of messed up, and like everybody's stalking you, chasing you, and you meet different people every day. So yeah, like I guess fame comes with some positive factors as well as some negative factors. Thank you.
Okay. Now please Twinkle express her view. Your view.
Hello guys, I'm Twinkle Saha, and today we're talking about fame has double-edged sword. I think it has its negative edges more, um, you know, um, like being in the public eye. You know, you have to deal with lots of different people, and who may have diverse opinions about you, which they may share whether you like it or not. So even if you have thick skin and you're not concerned with what others think, you may still become vulnerable to the pressure from others' opinions. And you have probably come across jealous people or haters at some point, and you will be sure at some stage during your lifetime. As a celebrity, you will experience hate on a very large scale. Like I don't think people understand. They just all think that no, you should shut up and stop complaining because you live in a big house and you drive a Bentley, so your life must be so great. What people don't realize is that fame, whatever your worst experience in your high school when you were being bullied by those 10 kids in high school, that fame is that. But on a global scale, you were being bullied by millions of people constantly. Not everyone understands that that's a deal, and that can make you feel pressured into trying to be perfect. The pressure for protection could be too much for a single person to handle. As mentioned, hate and People with crazy expectations from you can be draining and emotionally challenging. This extreme exposure causes mental pressure, which hinders your self growth and sense of fulfillment. And many famous people realize that they are just humans who cannot handle endless stress. And if you feel enough pressure from society without being a celebrity, imagine how more times this pressure would increase if the attention and expectations were put on you. And reality, many celebrities continue their attention attracting careers with hopes for future development, even if they risk harming their mental health from the unhealthy amount of attention they get. Fear of failure or other fear is also among some of the reasons celebrities do not change their lifestyles. And permanent unhappiness can force the famous to search for unhealthy ways to deal with fame, such as taking drugs or indulging in addictive activities that distract them from the problem. Instead of facing it, if left untreated, it can result in clinical depression, addictive, and sometimes even worse. Thank you.
Okay. Now I would like Almas to say her part. Almas.
Hello everyone, my name is Almas. This topic is negative side. It, it's difficult for celebrities to keep their personal life secret. Celebrities have to cope up with paparazzi on a daily basis. They can't go to places where common people go and may have to spend more to stay in luxury places to maintain privacy. No matter what they do, there will almost always be criticisms. There will be same expectation on them that they should behave in a certain way. Many have to cope up with social media tone and criticism. Even their words can be twisted and someone can make a controversy out of it. If fame start to fade, it may lead to depression in some people. Some famous people do not any real friends and suffer from isolation. That's it.
Okay, so I believe everyone in the discussion have agreed that fame is a double-edged sword. So I want to also assure that if you are saying that fame is a double-edged sword, then the disadvantages of a fame are weighted more or equal to the advantages of it. Hello.
I think fame has negative aspects more than positive because if you have fame, people will know you. No, you will get everywhere your fans and whatever all. But having fame doesn't mean your fans disrespect you. Having fame doesn't mean you have work to do, and having fame doesn't mean that you have money also. People, your fans are your admirers. They don't actually support you when you are in any something wrong is happening with you. They will just no they will just use social media to just likes and comments on posting some stuff, but they won't actually help you in your reality, in your real life. So I think it has more negative aspects.
Mm, okay.
uh,
Yes,
I'm
I
not that much agree because it is means we can say it is a partially right or a wrong because if you're a person who is just doing your own work and not that much effect to the people, so you will not that much face a lot of people. Means if you have a clear mindset that I have to do, means you know that you are doing the right work. Okay, there always be a negative or a like pulling people behind you, so you just have to focus if you have a confidence that you are doing right, or you just have to see that yeah, we are changing the life of the people. Okay, and the people are getting the benefit from it, so we don't have to see the negative people. I have also seen this kinds of a three I things in my life, not in a social media platform, in the reality. I gave the study free yoga camps, and many of the peoples come, join, and see the differences in their body. and diseases also and many other things, but there also be a haters, okay, who always start that she is just a small girl, why are you believing her, okay, this kinds of a many kinds of a thing. So what you have to, if you have a confidence that you are doing a right thing, so you don't have to listen to those people. So it have in a both right or a wrong effect. We can't say that more there is a wrong. There are many people who don't even listen to these kinds of a people and carry on whatever they are doing. So it's also depends on the people.
Okay. Anyone more as someone?
Yes,
More
I
as
also think
yeah.
that it is means both they are equal. Both the sides are equal. Yes, there are good effects also and the bad effects also, but they are equal. Because definitely, as Nikita Dee said, that there are haters. There always are haters who will demotivate you. What you will do? You think that you are going right? It is sufficient. You don't have to listen to the other people's. And there is good side also because your fame helps you to follow your dream, your passion, and in return you can also get money. So I think it's equal.
Yeah,
Okay.
even I also think that if somebody is saying, means if the person who is not come in your fan following like in a positive way, who are considered as a hater, so you have to at least listen to them. Maybe it will be a good for you, but don't you have to, focus on that thing that yeah, he had said me like this, so I you start depressing or thinking about start overthinking about that topic. But you can also see or understand their perspective also, maybe it can improve your personality. So haters are also important for us. Okay, without haters we can't grow. We will be here by listening to the people that you are doing like this, and then we also get confidence by our haters also. So that is also
Yeah.
important.
Yeah, it is like that. Listen to everyone, but do and follow what you think is right.
Exactly.
Okay. So what you all are saying is that we should strive for the fame and brush off all the negative aspects of that of the fame, which ultimately converts our double-edged sword into a sword which help us to cut through all the hardships of the success. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So we
as